Hey students, just want to welcome you to my class. There is just a couple things that I want to cover before we really get into anything. And the very first things that we need to talk about are the things we need to build into our routine. So every single time that we start my class, you have to be doing every single time, every single day. I know we talked about that a little bit last week, but I just really want to demonstrate that visually and what that looks like. So the first thing, let's move on to the headphones. Important. You're going to have to bring out your headphones every single time, and you're going to need to put them on your head every single time. And make sure that your mute switch is turned on to mute. If you have a question, you can certainly turn the mute off, so you can go ahead and ask that question. So important to have these on every single time. I want to see everybody wearing them, okay? And you guys should be ready at the time the class starts that we've got these on, so you can hear me, so I can hear you. Any questions about that, let me know. That's why the school gave you these headphones, is because they do need to be used every single day with every one of your classes, and you need to take really good care of them. So let me go ahead and put those down. Put them right here, so I can demonstrate that I'm using them all the time. So second thing is that you're going to have to adjust your video resolution. Your Google Meets defaults to a very low grainy resolution. So that's the second thing you're going to need to do, is go into your resolution and change that. So this is how you're going to do this. So when you first click on Google Meets, which you'll be required to do every single day, is you'll need to join now. Okay. And then the camera should come up. Now if the camera's not coming up, lower right hand corner under more options, there's going to be settings, and that's what I'm really concentrating on. That's the real focus here. We need you to click on video, and do you see how the standard definition is 360? We need to change that to high definition 720 every single day, every time you go into the Google Meets. So 720 is 720p. High definition is I am sending my picture to you, so you're seeing a picture of me, but it looks a lot better. Receiving, so when I see you, I should also see you in high definition. So I need to change it, and guess what? So do you. We both need to change that. So really important to do that. Click off of that. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is, if we have any students that speak Espanol and would like to be able to communicate and understand each other, Google Meets has this really cool feature. Let me go ahead and expand the screen so you can see it. Do you see right down there in the lower left-hand corner? The lower right-hand corner, I'm sorry, under more options, lower right-hand corner. Go ahead and focus your attention there. You're going to click on these three little dots and click on settings. Okay? I'm sorry.
Just a moment.
Just a moment. So actually you're going to right-click on more options. So my bad. Do you see right there where it says translate to Espanol? So that's what you'll need to do. You need to click on that. So when I speak in English, it translates automatically to Spanish. And it's going to be important that you do the same thing. So when you speak in Spanish to me, it converts to English. Isn't technology great? If you don't know how to do it, you don't know where it's at, technology doesn't do anything, doesn't mean anything. So that's going to be the important thing, is that you go ahead and switch that over. Okay? So that's a little bit. So we covered what that expectation is every single day. We put on our headphones, right? Second thing we do, we make sure that that mute switch is turned off until I tell you it's okay to go ahead and turn it on, back and forth. So you do need to start the class muted. We may do a couple test sessions to make sure everybody's mic does work. The camera should work as well, okay? And then go into settings to see if we need to switch it over to Espanol. So other than that, if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Bye.